Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome all my dear kids to today's online live classes. I am Pushpashri, faculty of Button But Tutorials. I'll be handling mathematics for Navodaya Sainik as well as RMS School entrance exam. So, well, my dear kids, in the last session, we had discussed about the theory concept of number system. So, let us move on to the problems part today, the easiest chapter. Only a few problems I'll discuss, and few problems will be given as assignment. And now, you people can listen to me. Let us start with. So, the first question. So, write in words. Write in words. Write in words, international system. International system. Close the bracket. So the number is 243. After this there is a comma 183 comma 017. So how you are going to write this, I'll tell you. So where you have to write this in international system. So in international system we have a different method. So right now we are following the Indian system. Usually in India we follow Indian system. So in Indian system unit digit will be there tens, 100,000, 10,000. This comes in India system. But when they give the numbers like this and ask you to write it in international system, like this you have to write, that is 200, 243 million, 243 million 183,000 183,017. This is how we are going to write. So this is 17 as usual, and 183,000 we are going to call it as, and then 243 is called as million. Okay. So this is the million. After million there will be 100, and after 100 the numbers. Okay. So after this the second question. The second question will be like this. Write in numeral. Write in the basic questions numeral, that means you have to write it in numbers. So that is 3 crore, 3 crore, 41 lakh, 41 lakh, 41 lakh, 2061, 2061. So where you have to write this in numbers. So what they are telling, for 3 crore, how much crore it is? 3 crore, 41 lakh, 41 lakh, 2000, 2061. So 2061, 2061. Got this now? 3 crore 41 lakh. Okay, 3 crore 41 lakh 2061. So see to the third question now. Write is one of the, which one is the smallest number? Which one is the smallest number? So here you have an option. See to the option 7413, option B 7130, option C 7985, option C 7545. So when they give you like this and ask you to find out the smallest number, see the last three numbers, okay? 430, 130, 985, 545. So what is the smallest now? 7130 is the smallest when I compare to all the three numbers. So see to the fourth question now. Find out the unit digit in the product of Find out the unit digit in the product of in the product of 3207 into 12 into 17 into 13. So close the bracket. So now come to the solution. In 3207, which is the unit digit? 7 is the unit digit. In 12, which is the unit digit? 2. And next, 17, which is the unit digit? 7. And in 13, which is the unit digit? 3. Correct. So now, take the product of all the numbers. That means, multiply 7 into 2 into 7 into 3. 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 2, how much? 9 twos are 18, 8 1 plus carry, 2 fours are 8 plus 1, 9. And which is the number left it out? 3. 24, 2 carry, 9 threes are 27, 28, 29. So now you have got 294. And what they are asking here, what is find out the unit digit in the product of. So which is the unit digit in this product? So this is the product you have got. So in this, which is the unit digit in the product? 4 is the unit digit. And now you people can copy down this. Copy down. Fine. Hope you all understood this. I'll move on to the fifth question. See to the fifth question. Okay, we'll see to the fifth question now. Question number 5. So find the greatest 5-digit even number. Find the greatest 5-digit even number using they have given some of the numbers using the 3, 0, 5, 7 and 8. And in your options, their options are 8, 3, 5, 7, 0. Option B 85,703 and option C 87,530 and option D that is 87,350. So see to the options now and tell me which is the smallest number over there. So if you see to the option which is the greatest number as you see it in the option 87,530, 87,350. So when you see this both numbers, which is the even number you feel it as? So this is the even number, correct? So how you are going to refer that 87,530 is the even number. 87530, they have made use of all the numbers. See to the sixth question. What is the smallest? What is the smallest 5-digit number? 5-digit number which can be formed with the digit the digits 4, 0 and 9. But in this question there is a trick. See to the options. So option A they are telling 40,940 and option B they are telling that as 40,009 and option C they are telling it as 99,940 and in option D they are telling it as 90,004. And here if you see which is the smallest number, here they have given only 3 numbers, but here if you see with the same numbers they have used it twice. Okay, so if you see here 409 is that 40 again they have used and 409 is there, 2 zeros they have used, and 409 is there, 99 twice they have used, 409 is there and 0 twice they have used. And if you see all this number, what is the 5-digit smallest number if you see it over here? So this is the 5-digit smallest number because it is 40,009, it is 940, this is 940 and that is 4. And move on to the next part, the 7th question. What is the difference between they have given two numbers, that is 10,170 and 8,369. So between these two numbers, what is the difference they are telling? So difference means what? Minus. So how you will get to know it is minus only? I have 5 ice creams with me, you have 2 ice creams. So what is the difference of ice creams that we are having? You are having less. That means you have a decreased number. That means you have to do subtraction. So now 10,170 minus 8,369. So if you minus this, how much you will get? So here it will be 8. Sorry, here it will be 6 and here it will be 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. And here it will be 0. Here it will be 9. Here it will be 11. So 11 minus 3 is how much? 8. And 9 minus 8, 1. Therefore, difference is, how much is the difference there? 1,801. So now you can copy down this, copy down. Fine, hope you all copied this. Now I'll move on to your 8th question. We'll see to the 8th question now. Question number 8. The easiest chapter, the thing is you have to learn it. Okay. And the question number 8. See to the question now. Find the greatest 2-digit number. Find the greatest 2-digit number. Find the greatest 2-digit number divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. So where we have to find the 2-digit greatest number which has to be divisible by 6. So as we all know, 1-digit greatest number is 9. 2-digit greatest number is how much? 99. That is 99. So the solution is 99. So we have to divide that from 6. Whether it is divisible or not, let us see that. 6 ones are 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 is the remainder, 9. 6 6 are, that is 36. 3 is the remainder. So here we have got the remainder. And you can ask me, we can put decimal point and we can continue. Yes, you can continue. But here we can't continue because it should be easily divisible as they are asking in the question. And this one is not easily divisible. When it has to be easily divisible, what you have to do? We have to minus 99 minus 3. So 99 minus 3, that is 96. Therefore, 96 is the greatest 2-digit number. Greatest 2-digit number which can be easily divisible by 6. So here 9 is there, no? If 9 is there, we can call that as greatest number, right? So 96 is the greatest 2-digit number which can be divisible by 6. So you can copy down this now, copy down. Fine, hope you all copied this. I'll move on to the next question. We'll see to the next question. Question number 9. I think you can only solve this. Find out the difference between greatest 2-digit number, greatest 2-digit find out the difference between greatest two-digit number and the least two-digit number and the least two-digit number. So students, as you all know, two-digit greatest number is how much? So two-digit greatest number and two-digit smallest number. Between these two, you have to find the difference. So greatest two-digit number is, you all know this, greatest two-digit number is equal to 99, and the least two-digit number, that means smallest or least two-digit number is equal to 10. So now if you take the difference, therefore difference is equal to 99 minus 10, that is 89. So therefore difference is equal to how much? 89. Copy down this now.